So 91 MR2 turbo making a pretty bad, strange noise. It's usually on warm up. It hasn't been warmed up in the past few days, just been sitting around. But let's see if it wants to repeat. Yep, that's it. I don't think it's coming over by the belts. It sounds more like the turbo. That's at its worst. And that's right.